Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this 3D stitch. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain in multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. When you have your foundation chain, the length that you would like it for your project, double crochet in the 5th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double crochet. And then double crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row, making 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. Chain 3 and turn. In the next stitch, work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 2 stitches. Work 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2, work 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. So you're going to repeat that across the row. Chain 3, skip 2, work 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Like that, and you're going to work all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. That's my last 3 double crochet, and I'm going to make 1 more double crochet in this last stitch. Okay, so the next row is going to be a repeat row. So you're going to chain 3 and turn. And I'm going to skip over to the very last stitch of this 3 double crochet cluster, and I'm going to make 3 front post double crochet all in that same stitch. To make a front post double crochet, yarn around the hook, then pass under the post from the front and complete the double crochet. So 3 of these front post double crochet all in that same stitch. And I'm going to chain 3. Now I'm going to come all the way over to the last double crochet of that 3 double crochet cluster, and I'm going to make 3 front post double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Come all the way over, skip that chain 3, come all the way over to the last double crochet and work 3 front post double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Like that, and I'm going to repeat that all the way across the row. So it's chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then come all the way over to that last stitch in that 3 double crochet cluster and work 3 front post double crochet. So work all the way across the row and then make 1 additional double crochet in that last stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and work to here, and then I'll show you at the end of the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. There's my last 3 front post double crochet. I'm going to work 1 double crochet in that last stitch. Now chain 3 and turn. So now I'm just going to keep repeating that same row. I've chained 3 and turned, and then I'm going to go right over to that last double crochet, and I'm going to work 3 front post double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Go all the way over to the last stitch of that next 3 double crochet cluster and work 3 front post double crochet. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so just keep repeating that row over and over. Chain 3 and then come over to the last double crochet of that 3 double crochet cluster and work 3 front post double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and work a small sample, and then I'll come back and show you. And there you go. That's how you can crochet this 3D stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.